What's up guys, I have one of the most affordable smart doorbells on the market in 2023. It is called EUKI J9. By the way, we already tested some products from this brand, such as EUKI M10 and EUKI M11 mirror dash cams. You can watch the videos by the links in description. The new smart doorbell has 1080p Full HD resolution, motion detection, real-time alert, two-way audio, night vision and rechargeable battery. The battery life on a single charge is up to 90 days or about 3 months. So the features of the doorbell are very good, especially for the price of $50. However, let's see how the video doorbell works in real life. On the box, we can read about all the features of the product. I have already told you about some of them. Inside the box, there is user manual and warranty card. And then we have a doorbell, micro USB charging cable, and some stuff for installing a doorbell. As you can see, this model doesn't come with indoor chime, but you can buy it additionally. I think we should start talking about the design of EUKI J9 with dimensions. The size of the video doorbell is 145 by 55 by 40 mm. The weight is 232 grams. The body is made of plastic, but it is very good quality. There is a camera and PIR motion sensor on the front of the doorbell. Then we have a big doorbell button and a small microphone hole. A speaker is at the bottom. By the way, the doorbell has a mounting bracket. You can take the unlock pin from the package, insert it in the hole at the bottom, and remove the rear mount. We will talk about installation a little later in this video. A doorbell also has a micro USB charging port, reset button and memory card slot on the left side. As you can see, they are protected by rubber plugs, because the video doorbell has IP66 waterproof rating. It means that the doorbell can be installed indoors and outdoors. There are also many screws on the back of the doorbell, so you can probably remove the back cover and take out the battery. However, I don't want to do that. The built-in battery has a capacity of 4800 mAh. The manufacturer promises from 2 to 3 months of battery life on a single charge, if the doorbell records 10 events per day of a 15 seconds duration. That's very good. Okay, now let's talk about installation of EUKI J9 Smart Doorbell. In user manual, we can read how to install the new video doorbell. First, you need to select a location. It is better to mount a doorbell at least 4 feet or 120 cm above the ground. You can also install the doorbell at angle, but for that you need to buy an additional bracket. Next, remove the rear mount using the unlock pin and mark the screw holes with the doorbell mount. If you don't want to drill into the wall or a door, then you can use adhesive tapes from the package. Finally, attach the doorbell to the rear mount. That's all, the installation is complete. But you can also need to install the app on smartphone for using the doorbell. The app is called Cloud Dot, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. When you open the app, you need to press Add Device button and select Smart Video Doorbell. Then follow the instructions on the screen. It took me less than 1 minute to connect the video doorbell to the smartphone. In the app, we can see the live video from the doorbell camera. And then we can take a screenshot, record a video, press intercom button to talk the visitor, select the intercom sound, such as original, clown and uncle. The motion detection settings include detection sensitivity, power saving, performance or custom mode. In a custom mode, we can select when the alert will be triggered, such as day human detection and night human detection. We can also choose a recording time from 10, 20 or 30 seconds. The video doorbell has a built-in siren. You can activate it in the app. Finally, you can go to the album and watch the screenshots and videos. In the settings menu, we can turn on/off the function to receive alert notifications. The time settings menu has only 12-hour clock option. In the image settings, we can choose the anti-flicker from 50 and 60 Hz, as well as night vision mode such as automatic, day mode and night mode. In the sound settings, you can turn on/off microphone, voice recording, speaker, and change your speaker volume. There's also a chime settings menu in the app, but I don't have it. I have already told you about alarm management. It is the same menu as motion detection. In the battery management, we can check the current battery level of the video doorbell. By the way, you can use a microSD memory card to store the recording videos or try a cloud storage. You know the app is very convenient and useful. You can also go to the messages and see all your visitors. Now I want to show you some videos that I shot on EUKI J9 day and night. The new smart doorbell has 1080p resolution. So EUKI J9 is one of the most affordable smart video doorbells on the market, but it has a good video quality, motion detection, two-way audio and other useful functions in the app. A battery life up to 3 months is very good. However, EUKI J9 doesn't have an indoor chime and memory card in the package. If you need them, you can buy them additionally. I will leave the links to the video doorbell and other accessories in description under the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon!